Welcome to the Holiday Inn Birmingham, Hoover, where comfort meets convenience in the heart of Alabama. If you're planning your stay, don't forget to scan the QR code in the description for easy booking. Nestled in a prime location, this charming 3-star hotel offers an ideal home base for both business travelers and vacationers. With 112 well-appointed rooms, guests can unwind in modern, thoughtfully designed spaces equipped with everything needed for a relaxing stay. Whether you opt for a cozy standard room or a more spacious suite, you'll enjoy a restful night's sleep and wake up refreshed for the day ahead. Check-in begins at 3 p.m., with friendly staff ensuring a seamless arrival. When it's time to depart, you have until 11 a.m. to check out, plenty of time to get ready for your next adventure. Families will appreciate that children 18 and under stay free, making it a budget-friendly choice for those traveling with little ones. Amenities here elevate every stay. Start your morning with a satisfying breakfast and stay connected with free Wi-Fi. The outdoor pool offers a refreshing escape, while the dedicated play area keeps younger guests entertained. Whether you're in town for work or leisure, the Holiday Inn Birmingham, Hoover delivers comfort and convenience with a smile. Ready to book? Just scan the QR code in the description to secure your stay. We look forward to welcoming you.